Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add items on your Amazon wish list. Now to add items on wish list, you need to first create a wish list. We have already made a video on how to create a wish list. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch the video. So for now, let me show you how to add items on your wish list. First, you want to search for the item which you want to add on the wish list. So for an example, let's say I want to add this on my wish list. What I can do is scroll a bit down. After I scroll a bit down, it's going to show me add to cart, buy now. And right below all of this, you will see your add to list option. Click on the add to list option. Once you click on it, your wish list is going to be shown. And remember, if your wish list is not being shown over here, that means you haven't created one. So go create yourself a wish list. Click on wish list and your wish list will open up. And once it says added, you have basically done it. You have added the item on your Amazon wish list. And to check where the items are, basically, you want to click on the person looking icon at the bottom of your screen, and at the top click on your list, and then over here click on where it says wish list, and all the items you added are going to be shown on this list. I hope you understand how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.